Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video you will learn how to enable USB debugging in any MI phone or Redmi Y3 or Redmi Note 10s. So friends, at first we have to go to the settings and then you have to go to the additional settings. Remember, at first you have to enable developer mode in your Android phone. How to enable the developer mode, you will see my previous video. So to enable the USB debugging, you just scroll down to the additional settings and now you have to go to the developer options. Just tap on developer options and then you have to scroll down to USB debugging. See, you will see an option debugging. You just need to enable the button USB debugging. Just tap on it to enable the USB debugging. See, allow USB debugging. USB debugging is intended for development purpose only. Use it to copy data between your computer and your device, install apps on your device without notification, and read log data. Now we need to tap on OK button. So you will see USB debugging is enabled. So friends, in this way you can enable USB debugging in Redmi phone or Redmi Y3 or any Redmi phone. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.